belly and welcome to our newly painted spare room. We finished this yesterday, so I thought I would take the opportunity to teach some yoga in it. So I thought we would try it's about a 10-minute sequence. It's designed for beginners and it's also designed to build strength and flexibility. So we'll go through a couple of poses, take them nice and slow and hopefully feel nice and relaxed by the end of it. So we'll start in a seated position, cross-legged. If this doesn't feel comfortable, you can have your legs out in front, or you can pop a block or a pillow under the hips just to lift your hips in line with your knees. And then from here, take your hands and just bring them onto your belly. We'll start with a couple of inhales and exhales through the nose, just concentrating on the belly and bring some awareness there. So on the next inhale, just feel the belly expand under your hands. And on the exhale, draw the belly button in towards the spine and feel the belly soften. So do that a few times together. Inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Great. Bring your palms back to your knees. And we'll take a neck stretch here. So bring the left hand out towards the sides, just tension the fingertips and drop your right ear over your right shoulder. You can lift that left hand off the floor if you like and start to flex the fingertips towards the body. You also have the option of just sweeping the right hand up and over and placing the fingertips on the side of the head. Just let gravity deepen you into the stretch here, so don't push down on the head at all. And then inhale, support the head, going back up to centre. Release the hands, we'll take it onto the other side. This time the right hand comes out to the side, tension the fingers there, and then just drop the left ear over the left shoulder. Again, you can flex the fingers towards the body. You have the option to sweep that left hand up and place the fingertips on the side of the head. Should feel the stretch down the neck. You may also feel it over the shoulder and down the hand as well. Coming back up to centre, releasing the hands, and just bring your hands or your palms to your knees here. We'll take a couple of seated cat-cows. So on the inhale, just coming forward, really open up through the chest. And on the exhale, round through the spine, bring the chin towards the chest so you really getting up around there. Inhale, exhale. Do that 2 more times. On inhale, coming forward. Gaze can be up if it feels okay for the neck. And exhale, round and back. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And coming back up to centre. From here, just coming forward, planting the hands here. Coming into a tabletop position, so you just want to check that your shoulders stacked over your wrists, your hips over your knees. If this gets too much for the hands at any point, you can always just come back to a child's pose, taking the weight off the hands for a little bit of a break. So this is your resting option here. If it feels uncomfortable to come into this position, you could try and put a cushion behind the legs as well. It's coming back up to our tabletop position. From here, take your left leg out towards the side. You want the toes pointing forward here. And start to walk the hands up, coming up to an upright position. And inhale, just reach the arms up, gaze is up. And exhale, take the left hand and just sweep it down the left side of the leg. Bring the right arm over, palm facing down here. While you're here, you want to make sure you're not rounding forward, that you're really opening up through the chest. And inhale to come back up to centre. And the next exhale, bring the right hand down to the opposite side and just sweep that left arm over. So now you should get the stretch over the hip as well. Inhale to come back up to centre. And exhale to plant the hands, step that left knee in, back in our tabletop position. So we'll take that on the opposite side now. So right foot out, toes pointing forwards. Just walking the hands up. Inhale to bring the arms up. On the exhale, dropping that hand down the right leg and sweeping the left hand over. Great, and then inhale to come back up. Exhale, take the left hand on the floor. You want the shoulders stacked over the wrist here. And sweeping the right arm up, palm facing down again. And gaze can be up or down here. It's whatever feels good for the neck. Inhale, coming back up to centre. And exhale, planting the hands, stepping that back foot in. Coming back into our tabletop position. So this time we are going to engage the left leg and just lift it up into the air. And then round your back, bringing the knee in towards the nose. So if you can plant the left foot in between the hands at the front of the mat. If you only manage to get here, that's fine. You can just take your hand and bring your left foot up in between the hands here. If you like, if you're feeling any discomfort under the knee, you can fold the mat over and just plant that knee on the mat as well. Just give you a bit of extra padding. Check your front knee is stacked over the ankle. And on the inhale, just reaching the arms up for a low lunge position. Any discomfort in the shoulders, you can bring the hands to the waist as well. So just stay here for a couple of rounds of breath, really getting a stretch in the hip flexors here so you start to feel them open up. And then exhale to plant the hands down. Start to walk the hands back, straightening that front foot. So your hip is coming over your knee. You might need to move your knee back slightly. And then just flex the toes in towards you. So this is half splits pose here. And then on the next inhale, just straighten the toes towards the front of the mat. Exhale to flex them towards the knee. We'll do that a couple of times. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to flex. One more time. Inhale. And then exhale. And then starting to walk the hands forward, coming back onto the ball of that foot. Plant the hands and just step that left knee back. So we're back in our 4-4 position. You might want to just check your alignment. You can shake the hips out a little bit if you like. So do the same on the other side. So really pull that belly button in towards the spine as we lift the right leg up. And then round through the spine as we bring that knee in towards the nose and then step up at the front of the mat. Again, you can fold the mat over if you like. Check your knees stacked over your ankle and then engaging the core, lifting the arms up for a low lunge. You want to make sure that your hips are nice and straight here and tucking the pelvis. And then exhale, plant the hands on the floor. Step in the right knee. Sorry, leaving that here. I just heard Michael get home. It's distracted me a little bit. And walking the hands back, straighten the front foot. Flex the toes in towards the face. And then from here, we'll do the same movement as before. So straighten the toes on the inhale. On the exhale, flex them towards the face. We'll do it 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And walking the hands forward again. Maybe moving that back knee in. Plant the hands and step that knee back into our all-fours position. Again, you might want to shake the hips out a little bit here. Maybe take some big circles with the hips in one direction and then the opposite direction. And then crossing the legs, walking the hands back, coming back up to our seated position. And bringing the feet out in front. Placing the feet on the floor here. Hands out in front, palms facing each other. And just check you've got enough room behind you as we'll be making our way down to the floor. And then engage in the core, really pull that belly button in. Just see if you can make your way down to the mat, keeping your feet grounded on the floor. So moving with control here. Once you get there, reaching the arms up, overhead, coming into a full body stretch. And exhale, releasing the arms down by the side. Coming into a resting pose. If you like, you can bring the awareness back to the breath, so maybe placing the hands on the belly. And on the inhale, just feel that belly rise. On the exhale, feel the belly fall. Just do that a few times. And then when you're ready, you can start to make some movements with the hands and the feet. And slowly make your way up to a seated position. I hope you enjoyed that class. I should probably see what Michael is getting up to.